friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's session we'll discuss about one more program related to strings in Python, that is finding of a unique words from the given string. So here we are supposed to take the input from the keyboard as a sentence, and from that sentence we have to find only the unique words, so that we have to remove the duplicate words. So first we will take the input. So let us take str is equal to, so input of, give the request message, enter string, and here I'll use a split function so that it will generate a list of words. See, first let us print the string so that you will be understanding. So here I will write welcome to Python programming. See, so whatever the string we are giving, that will be splitted wherever the space, and it forms a list of complete words. So once it was done, simply one way is apply the same thing to the set function, because set function will remove the duplicates, right? Some result is equal to set of str and give here result. This is a simple way. So hi, hello, hi, hello. So we have given the two words repeated. So you will be getting only the unique words. Okay, unique words. Even though the string is having 4 words, so we got the only unique words. So this is one way. So directly we can use a set function so that it will remove the duplicates. Otherwise, simply take a list, an empty list, right? So we'll iterate each and every word of a list, okay, of a list, and if it is not available in the new list, simply we can append. See, for element in str, so it will iterate each and every word of str. So if element not in L, that means a new list, simply append that element. So L dot append of element, right? So finally you can simply print L. So unique words from given sentence, or simply here you can give L. So hi, hello, hi, hello, hi, hello. So you can see the unique words from the given sentence are only the hi and hello. So even though you are giving a complete string with the repeated words, so it will remove the duplicates and it will give the only the unique elements. So this is another approach to find the unique words. So one is using the set, another one by iterating each and every word of a list, and we are just appending into a new list if it is not available in there, right? So hope you understood this a simple procedure. So if you are having any doubts regarding this one, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to clarify all your doubts. And if you really enjoyed my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.